Think you know everything about hiccups? Think again. Hiccups are more than just annoying. They're a fascinating quirk of the human body. A hiccup is an involuntary contraction of your diaphragm, causing your vocal cords to snap shut and create that iconic hic sound. But why do they happen? Eating too fast, carbonated drinks, and sudden excitement can all trigger hiccups. Even animals get hiccups. Cats, dogs, and rats. Many mammals hiccup just like us. Some scientists think hiccups might be a leftover from our evolutionary past, possibly linked to our aquatic ancestors. Want to stop hiccups? There are countless remedies, but none work for everyone. It's a quirky reminder of our shared biology and evolution. Enjoyed this hiccup hack? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool facts.